The power of strategic silence. There is a reason why the most dangerous minds speak the least, because silence is not emptiness. It is control. And in a world addicted to noise, control becomes terrifying. Most people reveal themselves too quickly. Their fears, their desires, their insecurities. With every unnecessary word, they surrender power. But the silent person remains impenetrable, unreadable, and therefore uncontrollable. This is the power of strategic silence. Nurses, point 1. Silence creates psychological dominance. Human beings fear what they cannot predict, and silence destroys predictability. When you constantly explain yourself, you become defenseless. People know where to attack you. They study your emotions, your reactions, your weaknesses. But silence interrupts this process. It creates tension, and tension forces people to project their own assumptions onto you. This is why quiet individuals are often perceived as intelligent, even before they speak, because the human mind associates silence with depth. The loud man seeks validation. The silent man evaluates. One reacts, the other observes. And observation is power. Strategic silence is not weakness. It is restraint. The tiger does not announce itself before the attack. Only insecure people feel the compulsive need to explain everything. True confidence remains still, cold, detached. Verzerich, point 2. Silence exposes the truth in others. Most people cannot tolerate silence. It suffocates them. And in that discomfort, they begin revealing themselves. Watch carefully during conversations. The moment silence appears, people rush to fill it. They confess too much. They over-explain. They leak insecurity through nervous words. This is why skilled interrogators use silence as a weapon, because silence pressures the guilty mind. The average person fears awkwardness more than exposure, and so they speak. Strategic silence transforms you into a mirror. People begin projecting their chaos onto your calmness. Their ego becomes restless. Their mask starts cracking. And eventually, they reveal exactly who they are, without you asking a single question. This is why emotionally disciplined individuals appear intimidating, not because they are aggressive, but because they are difficult to manipulate. They do not react impulsively. They do not chase approval. They do not emotionally leak information. And that level of control terrifies unstable minds. Point 3. Silence protects your inner world. The modern world rewards oversharing. Every thought exposed. Every emotion broadcasted. Every wound displayed for attention. But constant self-disclosure is psychological suicide. The more people know about you, the more access they have to your mind. Not everyone deserves access to your inner world. Some people study your pain, only to weaponize it later. This is why strategic silence becomes a form of self-protection, a boundary, an invisible fortress. The wise understand something dangerous. Mystery creates respect, scarcity creates value, and emotional restraint creates authority. When you stop explaining yourself to everyone, you reclaim energy. You stop seeking permission to exist. You stop defending your decisions. You become internally anchored. Stillness replaces desperation. And suddenly, people feel your presence before you even speak, because silence sharpens perception. It forces you to listen, to calculate, to detach from emotional chaos. And detachment is freedom. Outro. In the end, the most powerful person in the room is rarely the loudest. It is the one who speaks with precision, moves with intention, and remains silent long enough to see through everyone. Because silence is not the absence of strength. It is strength without the need for approval. And once you master strategic silence, you become something this world cannot easily control. A mind that cannot be read.